Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Shoumili Manna. Now I sharing about our village with you. The name of our village is Kagdihi. It is situated Mechita in Purwo Medinipur district. It is nearest bus stand is Mechita bus stand. Is nearest railway station is Mechita railway station. It is post office is Mechita post office, and it is nearest police station is Golaghat police station. It is there no school, and there no market. There are many big ponds. Um, there around it green vegetation. It is surrounded green with the green vegetation. uh, their local festival is Durga Puja and Kali Pujas. Their communication, the village communication is very good, and the villagers are very good, simple, and helpful. And thank you.